It's important to note that this is a very gusty setup where you will have a sustained wind, but those wind gusts are the ones that do the damage and can bring down those tree limbs. Looking at a wide scope of this storm, the center of circulation right here, these little circles, they are lines of constant pressure. So the closer they get, the stronger the wind is, and also the closer to the low that you are, the more exposure you have to those strongest winds. So as we kind of put the path here, or the track of the storm, you'll notice that we're going to have the closest pass for coastal areas of Massachusetts and also Rhode Island and eastern Long Island. That's why we're anticipating the strongest wind gusts to be in those locations. And again, we're anticipating them to probably be 70 plus miles per hour. Now, within this, we have bands of snow where we really focus almost a convective nature. It is convective. Sometimes we can get thunder snow in these snow bands, but how you identify them is that they're almost that white color or light blue. This specific one over eastern Long Island is a maniac. It's about 15 to 20 miles wide, but that's where we have snow rates that are exceeding 2 inches of snow per hour. We had confirmations by Mount Holly. That's the office that's closer to Philadelphia. National Weather Service got 2 inches, more than 2 inches of snow in just 1 hour. So these snowband features, these are the microscale nowcast items that we're tracking to see where we get the highest snow totals for storm features, and it's going to be the places that interact with these snow bands. Take a look at this. We got 2 of them right here, one over Barnstable, and then we have a second one that's more pronounced that goes into Providence, Rhode Island. That one's only 25 miles away from where Melanie is. And again, all of this is rotating around the storm. So Boston's going to get hit by 2 snow bands. So we'll continue to check in with Melanie. The timing of that probably has us at about 30 to 45 minutes before those snow bands move in. But look at this for Long Island. It's just nasty. This is also going to move on to the Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore has very high power outage numbers. They also have snow totals that right now are exceeding 1.5 feet. So that snow band that is right offshore, holy camole, that's going to push us over 2 feet for some of these snow totals for Ocean County and Monmouth County, New Jersey. Meanwhile, we have a big drop off. Look at this void over here in parts of PA. And this is so classic nor'easter. The backside of the low, you have this intense pounding where we see the highest snow totals. That's what we're going to get in New Jersey, lower Hudson Valley, Long Island, Connecticut. But then you have the drop off where that dry air is wrapping around and you see barely anything. You can have 3-4 inches of snow when literally 20 miles down the road, you have 1.5 feet. As we take a look at conditions from Philadelphia to the Jersey Shore, this is, of course, why the travel bans are up. We can't keep up with the snow. Also, the onset of this, especially for Philadelphia to the Jersey Shore, it was rain crossing over to snow. And so there's a layer of ice. And as we go into tomorrow, we'll scrape around the snow, but then they're going to have to salt the roads. The good news is our temperature profile in the 30s, this is money. This is perfect for salt. The last storm that we had in mid-January, we had Arctic air. We were in the teens and 20s. It was too cold for salt to actually help us. But in the 30s, salt's going to do its job. That's why when you see Haley Meyer's live shot in not Central Park, in Times Square, it looks so slushy. It's also because they salted everything. And so that salt is actually breaking apart the snow that is starting to accumulate. Here's a look at the wind gusts. Atlantic City has a wind gust right now of 45. We're at 32 in East Hampton. So again, very powerful wind gusts, which is thus resulting in a huge drop in visibility.